Hello there. Cyclone is impacting Australia's Northern Territory over the next few days. More on that in just a moment. Let's head over to the Canary Islands, where we've seen an incredible sandstorm over the weekend. On Saturday, it affected a couple of the islands, and then Sunday, the sand stretched right across the Canary Islands. Known locally as a kalima, these sandstorms do occur every couple of years, but this one was particularly intense, where we saw aeroplanes grounded at all the airports, and there was some respiratory issues from the density of this dust and sand. Now, this sandstorm has been particularly intense. We've seen wind gusts in excess of 70 miles an hour. This dust has travelled hundreds of miles from the Western Sahara, bringing hot, dry conditions, temperatures around 30 degrees, and that's also led to some wildfires which have been burning out of control. Now, the reason for it, high pressure across the Sahara, this area of low pressure, which has been pushing up against the high pressure, squeezing the isobars together. So we've seen quite a strong southeasterly wind, and that's driven the sand and dust out of Mauritania, Western Sahara and southern Morocco into the direction of the Canaries. Like I mentioned, this sand has travelled for hundreds of miles. Now, the good news is, as we move out of Monday into Tuesday, we'll start to see a wind change direction, coming in more from a north or northeasterly, which means it'll be a fresher, cooler direction, and also off the sea means it will be dust and sand free. So an improvement there, thankfully. Now into Australia. This is Cyclone Esther. It made landfall on Monday across the Gulf of Carpentaria as a Category 1 storm, bringing damaging winds and very heavy rain. Now, this system is going to continue to move inland across the Northern Territory in a westwards direction over the next few days, and it will weaken into a tropical depression, but it's going to bring some phenomenal amounts of rain here, with a continued risk of flooding. So this is one ongoing story. This area of low pressure is what brought the disruptive snow across the north of the UK for Monday morning. That will clear out into Scandinavia, and then we're in a run of fairly cold northwesterly winds. That'll drive wintry showers in across the British Isles, across Ireland, and also push some rain and snow into Central Europe, where we could see some significant snowfall Tuesday and into Wednesday across the Alps. Now, it stays very cold because of this northwesterly wind. These fronts actually enhancing shower activity, so we'll see bands of wintry showers moving from northwest to southeast. So it looks pretty unsettled the next few days. It's certainly going to feel cold and wintry with sunshine and wintry showers.